Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Aqua Credit Card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if your credit score has taken a bit of a bruising lately, or if you have zero credit history in the UK, the Aqua Classic Credit Card is a solid financial stepping stone. Now, it's dedicated credit builder card operated by New Day, and its main goal to help you prove to lenders that you can borrow and repay money responsibly. Now, the biggest perk here is the accessibility. Now, Aqua uses a soft search eligibility tracker here on their website. So basically, you can see if you're acceptable or accepted within 60 seconds without hurting your score at all. Now, once approved, you'll start with a modest credit limit somewhere between 250 and 1,500 pounds. Now, as you use the card for everyday small things and pay for it off on time, Aqua reports those good habits to the major credit bureaus. Now, they are also known for automatically raising your limit every few months if you manage the account well. And the mobile app here includes a great free credit tracker called Aqua Coach to help you monitor your progress. Now, however, because it is specifically tailored for repairing credit here, it comes with a major catch you have to watch out for. Now, the representative APR is a steep 39.9% variable, which is tied to the Bank of England base rate. Now, if you leave a balance on the card for month to month, the interest will pile up incredibly fast and completely derail your financial progress. You should also never use it to withdraw cash at an ATM, as that triggers an immediate 5% fee and instant interest charges. Now, ultimately here, if you treat Aqua like a debit card and pay your balance in full every single month, it is a brilliant, completely free tool because there is no annual fee. Clearing your statement to zero means you harvest all the credit boosting rewards without ever paying a penny of that high interest. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.